Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. We've heard today two important ingredients for someone following the Lord. For all of us who loves Jesus. For all of us striving to follow the Lord. And those two ingredients or elements we wish to reflect this morning are these ingredients or characters of loving and of surrendering or giving up. It is clear for Jesus since then, for St. Paul, and to all of us now, how loving summarizes all commandments, all norms of life, and all expressions of life. That to love ourselves and others as we hold on to our ways of loving God, we continue to express how we follow laws, how we keep up with the commandments entrusted to us, most especially those of the Lord. But today's gospel is far off from the idea of loving. But then we are asked, if you wish to follow the Lord, then we have to die to our own selves, to renounce what we have, even to take off our own plans so as to lovingly follow the Lord. But we get this beautiful realization and reflection, my dear brothers and sisters, that our ways of surrendering, of giving up or renouncing things may also be our expression of loving God and of others. Maybe during this day or maybe one of the past days of your lives, nakaschedule nang uuwi kayo ng alas 5 at lumapit sa inyo ang inyong kaibigan at sasabihin, kailangan kitang makausap, malungkot ako. And that simple thing of giving up that time for you to come home early and for you to give your time to your friend is but giving up, but also an expression of loving him or her. For many of you, you may wish to enjoy at least a little extension of sleep, of time, or maybe work as early as 7 in the morning, but here you are, praying, celebrating the Eucharist with us. Is but an expression, Lord, I give up, I renounce those minutes so that I can pray and be with you. Our form of surrendering may be an expression of loving God as well. Or to parents, or to all of you working hard here, siguro amount ng sweldo ho ninyo ay masasabi ninyo, nahati ko na ang lahat sa budget, itong natitira para sa akin na ito. But sometimes emergency would come at ayun na lang ang tanging maibubunot ninyo. That form of giving up is but saying, I give this to you because I love you. My beloved brothers and sisters, let us not only see how our renunciation, our giving up or surrendering may be blame nothing and empty. But let every form of giving up may be our form of loving God and our neighbor.